Before attempting any litigation in Courtroom 1401 in the Daley Center's Post-Judgment and Miscellaneous Remedies Courtroom, all parties, including attorneys, paralegals, and self-represented litigants, must download and carefully review the Courtroom 1401 standing orders. Video number 2 explains where to find them. Compliance with these standing orders is mandatory, and parties must be prepared to demonstrate their adherence. Any party that fails to comply with the Courtroom 1401 standing orders will have their requests for relief denied. For a complete overview of citations to debtors, watch video number 3, part 1. This video explains filing a citation to discover assets to a judgment debtor in Courtroom 1401. To file a citation in Courtroom 1401, a plaintiff must have a final and enforceable civil judgment. A citation to discover assets is a legal process where a judgment creditor seeks to identify assets or income of a judgment debtor that can be used to pay off a debt. This process can place a hold on the debtor's property, such as bank accounts or wages, and any other eligible property that can be used to settle the debt. The debtor must appear in court for questioning under oath about their ability to pay the judgment. The judgment creditor has the right to request relevant documents from the judgment debtor, such as financial books or records. If the debtor is an individual, they must complete the Income and Property Statement form, which is one of the documents in the packet that the judgment creditor serves on the judgment debtor. To locate Citation to Discover Assets to the Judgment Debtor forms and instructions, visit the Clerk of the Circuit Court of Cook County's website. Navigate to the Court Services tab, select Cook County Circuit Court Forms, and in the Forms search box, type SCC 1803. Click the blue hyperlink next to Post-Judgment Collection. For an individual citation, select Citation to Discover Assets to Debtor. You must fill out the forms completely. Filing of the citation. The citation to discover assets to debtor must be filed with the Clerk of the Circuit Court of Cook County. In addition to e-filing the citation packet, you must also e-file Attachment A and E from the Courtroom 1401 standing orders with this packet. For instructions on e-filing your citation to discover assets to the debtor, watch video number 3, part 2. The Courtroom 1401 standing orders also provide instructions regarding scheduling and court dates. If you do not possess an internet connection, you must request in-person filing with the Clerk of the Circuit Court's office, 6th floor of the Daley Center. Service of the citation. A citation to discover assets to debtor must be personally served, either by the sheriff or a private process server. In post-judgment proceedings, you do not need the court's permission to use a private process server. The citation packet must be served with Attachment A and E from the Courtroom 1401 standing orders. The citation cannot be served by registered, certified, or U.S. mail, or by email without a special order from the court. If your citation is served incorrectly, you will be required to reserve it. A citation is not considered active until it is served. If personal service is unsuccessful, obtain an alias citation from the Clerk of the Circuit Court and attempt personal service again. The judgment creditor is not required to appear in court until the citation to the debtor is served. An unserved citation cannot be continued, so do not send the court a continuance order for an unserved citation.